Hello, Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go. Back after a year's break, I went off the air after my husband died, and now I have revised my channel quite a bit, and I want to say something about the new situation on the channel. I have now 3 playlists. This is the classic playlist. One is the first playlist is Thoughts to Go, where what I have been doing up to now on my channel, I will continue on this playlist. Whatever themes I would like to share with you. The second playlist I had already started. I will continue reading from my novel, from my utopian novel, Wir retten die Welt. I will read it in German. I wrote it in German, and I will then make a second post where I do my best to explain what's going on in the story. The third playlist is called The Artist Was Present. It has to do with my husband. I will be filming in his studio and seeing if there's kind of like a dialogue that I can go to be a part of with his paintings and his books and his, let's say, paraphernalia. He has lots of that, which many artists do. So anyway, this is the third playlist. Now, I will not be posting, as up to now, every Monday for 3 minutes. I will post when the spirit moves me, when I have something to say on one of these 3 playlists. And the easiest way for you to know what's going on is to subscribe. It's your decision, but anyway. So I just thought I would use this first time for my thoughts to go to tell you what's happening. Some of you may have noticed I had posted also this video, and then it was off after an hour. It was off the air again, and people wrote and said, where's the video? It says it's private. Well, I just decided I didn't like it, so I just took it off again. So this one, I hope I'm not going to be taking off again, and I will keep doing what I've been doing and see what happens. And so I guess that's all I have to say to you today. I will also film this again in German. So take care. Bye-bye.